Hello, friends. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Our topic in this video is about how to download Windows 10, how to make USB a bootable of it, and how to install Windows 10. First, you have to open Google Chrome. Then type here Windows 10 and search. Here click on Download Windows 10 Disk Image ISO file. Scroll down here first, and then click on Download Now. Then click on Download icon and open the download folder. Here right-click on Media Creation Tool and then click on Run as Administrator. Here click on Accept. And then here select Create Installation Media USB Flash Drive, DVD, or ISO file for another PC. And then click on Next. Here, first remove the mark and then select the language as English United States, the edition as Windows 10, and the architecture as 32 or 64-bit. First check your system type, whether it is a 32-bit or 64-bit operating system. For checking, right-click on this PC and then click on Properties. Check here System Type. So my system is 64-bit operating system. So I select 64-bit, and I click on Next, and then here select USB flash drive, and click on Next. So it is written here that we can't find USB flash drive. So here you have to connect at least 8 GB USB flash drive to the laptop, and then click on Refresh Drive List. And first you have to format the USB flash drive. So open this PC. And right-click on USB flash drive, and click on Format. Here click on Start. Then click on OK. And again click on OK, and then here click on Close. So now click on Windows Setup, and click on Next. Here to wait a few minutes. When downloading, verifying, and creating Windows Media is complete. Then click on Finish. And open the USB flash drive, and check here. So my bootable USB flash drive is ready. Now I close this page. And then here click on Google Chrome, and click on Close. So now I restart the laptop to install the Windows. So click on Menu, and here click on Power icon, and then click on Restart. You have to press the boot key during the restart. Each brand has its own boot key. What you see on the screen. I have an HP laptop, so I press the F9 key. Now here select USB hard drive and press Enter key. And here click on Next. Then click on Install Now. And here mark I accept the license terms. Then click on Next. Here click on Custom Install Windows Only Advanced. And then here first format that partition where you install Windows. So select Partition. And then click on Format. Then click on OK. And then click on Next. Wait for Windows to install. When installation is complete, the laptop will restart here. Here select United States and click on Yes. Then here select US and click on Yes. Here click on Skip. Here, if you want to connect to the network, click on Connect. Type here password, then click on Connect, and then click on Next. Here, if you have a Microsoft account, type it. Otherwise click on Create Account to create account. So I have a Microsoft account, so I type it here, and click on Next. Here you will get a code on your Google account to verify your email. So here click on Send Code. Check code in your Gmail and enter it here, and click on Next. Here click on Create PIN. Type New PIN, and then type Confirm PIN, and click on OK. Here click on Accept, and then again click on Accept. Let's customize your experience. I mark all of this, and click on Accept. Here click on Remind Me Later, and here click on Next, and then here click on Decline, and here again click on Decline. Here click on Next, and here click on Skip. Then here click on Accept. So Windows is completed here. Now here click on Get Started. And here click on Complete Setup. Then click on Confirm, and click on Close. Now click on the Start to bring PC icon and other icons to the desktop. And here click on Settings icon. Then here click on Personalization. Here click on Themes. And then scroll down. And here click on Desktop icon settings. Now mark all it here. And click on OK, and click on Close. Now refresh here once. Then all the icons will automatically be in their respective places. Thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, share the video and subscribe to the channel. And press the bell icon to get notifications of upcoming videos. Thank you.